later.
We want to buy a house uniform. You see all those ones? Which one? Come here. Yeah, they have uniforms. So we gotta get. This one might be so big, Father. For 12 pounds. 6 to 7, it seems big. You see, this one seems big and long. So, you want to eat chocolate? The school shop. It's 10 pounds. Which one do you feel the size of? Look at the color, they are long. What I'm supposed to know here, I cannot go this one now. Small time now. Let me leave this one.
35 pounds. No.
Scoville for check here, go specifications. I don't non-stick. Go specifications. They've not put the price. Let me do what I'm doing.
1 hour later.
Hey baby.
Hey mommy.
So lovely time, mommy.
Thank you, mommy. Using my hair.
Thank you for making your hair. Your hair is so cute. Let me see this side. Turn this way. Wow. Turn the other side.
Many hours later.
Hey guys, how you all doing? Welcome back again to my YouTube channel. It's still your favorite person, Cindy CJ. So welcome to a new vlog. I don't know if this is a new vlog or if it's a continuation vlog. I don't know, but then you guys, we have an unboxing. Yeah, so we got this George Home air fryer, digital air fryer. We got it in Asda today. Yeah, so my husband and I went to Asda. We didn't even plan on buying air fryer, but when we saw it, we said, why not? Let's buy it because it was on special offer. It was sold for 40 pounds. Yeah, 40 pounds. So the specifications here: digital air fryer, digital display with touch screen panel, variable temperature control, 6.2 liter removable basket, 8 preset functions. So these are the specifications. Is a non-stick air fryer. It's a non-stick air fryer with 6.2 liter capacity and 4 to 6 portions, and no oil needed. No oil needed and 2 years warranty. So yeah, this is what we have. So yeah, let's unbox. Just let me unbox it with you guys. So if you have Asda close to you, you go and get this air fryer. Hopefully it will be a good one. Yeah, so let's keep this by here. So that is it. So if you open it, you see the manual. So yeah, this is the manual. And yo, you guys, this air fryer seems so big. Oh my gosh. Hey, this is so big, you guys. So yeah, it's empty. And this is the air fryer, guys. Oh god, this air fryer is so big. Hey, let's unbox. So yeah, this is it. I think okay, it's still taped. Take this out. Take this out. And then this is it, you guys. This is super big. Can you guys see? So this is what it's giving. I just said to show you guys. So let me know in the comment section, have you shopped air fryer from Asda? Did you end up liking it? I mean, just let me know what you think about this air fryer in the comment section. I've bought something else from this particular brand, this George Home. I've bought, my blender is from this George Home, and so far so good. And yeah, we have an air fryer.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Wait.
Hey girl. Guess what? I got something for you. Come now. Are you not excited?
I just wanted to Barbie toy. I thought it was a Barbie toy.
Oh, you thought it was a toy. See this girl, I bought you a school uniform. 2 pieces school uniform. So what is it? Mommy, this is school uniform I bought for you now. You don't like the school uniform?
Looks like it, but I want my own surprise.
Bro.
I want my own surprises. I want a dream house.
So you cannot tell me, Mommy, thank you for getting you a school uniform. You're talking about toys.
Thank you.
So it's the only toy you'll be using in this house. You try it on. Come on, try it on. It's 2 piece. So this tight one we are wearing. No more. You say bye bye to this one anyway. You take a see if you borrowed it.
Come up here, it's me.
So let's
Said that you've been lonely, makes you cold as ice. Hard to get to know me, but better than the light.
Well, it's not so tight, so there's free here. So fun also. And it's long. It's not long, so it's okay. Here's your jacket. Come on, wear your jacket and let's see.
You said
You are taking it off now. You are just trying it out. Let me see. Let it back. Take it off. You can dress now.
Mama, I was talking
This
to
one now
you
is
then
for
I was...
Susu.
Mama, I was talking to you then I was doing like this.
You're not doing like that. You're wearing this one. Okay. This one is plain. Basmati, trophy basmati rice. So this is 10 kg. So we saw this rice in Asda and it was also a special offer. So yeah, why not? We bought it. So we bought this 10 kg rice for £14. Yeah, £14, and hopefully this will last us 2 months each, because it's not like we eat rice all the time. We eat different food. So yeah, 10 kg basmati.
You want to do the vlog?
Are you sure you are showing in this vlog? Because I took it up. Wait. It's too big.
Yeah, how do I carry this thing now? Mama, let me help you. Mommy, this for you. Hamasa.
Okay, come on, now give me my rice.
Okay, let me.
It's okay, leave it.
20 minutes
Said
later.
there ain't no reason, but I sit here every day.
Oh, the meat.
I want to see.
The meat is almost one. So.
1 hour later!
Can we rotate?
5 liters vegetable. So we bought this vegetable oil, and this is 5 liters vegetable oil. This will really last us a long time. Long time. Can opener. I got this for like £1. I got this silicone spatula kind of spoon. I got it for £1 as well. So why I got this is because of the new frying pan. I think I showed you guys, because of the new frying pan I got. So my old frying pan, I will still show you guys. This is my old frying pan. So this is the old frying pan. When I bought it, it wasn't like this. It was all clean. So when I bought it, it was all black, all looking okay. It didn't have all these scratches here, but I was using metal spoon on it. Let me show you. Sorry guys, this spoon is kind of dirty. Yeah, so this was the spoon I was using on this frying pan, and that was what scratched it all around here. And then sometimes when I'm in a hurry to cook with it, I will use iron sponge and scrub. So that's why all these scratches. If I want to use this frying pan, I will use this rubber spoon and maybe a wooden spatula as well. So these are the stuffs I will be using: the silicone or this wooden spoon. That's what I'll be using on or for, whichever English, this frying pan, because I love this pan so much and I don't want it to be like the other one. Yeah, so that's it.
So many reasons why I want it for you, my love. Now you all want to retire with my love, yeah. Je suis désolée, je ne peux pas prendre la distance encore. Depuis ton départ, mon cœur se casse tous les heures. Depuis Walem que t'as chargé, oh là là, comment changer ou non, j'aimerais envie ou depuis Walem que t'as chargé, oh là là, comment changer ou non, j'aimerais envie ou chérie, tel comme ça. She be not this kind of thing where they make me see how ou conjoint ou fait m'voyer qu'on enquête moi ouais ciel là. See I won't make you know say me there for you ngara. Même si pas compable ouais je m'en fous c'est pas mes limbs ça. I never treated you for nothing.